I'm saying that now we go for Zolo Bitters advert. One obuna through Akuzayon. Nandeline, you know, Motare, Kemera advert. Akuzayon no way, no buro ugo advert, Kokurum. When more dead, they were the Facebook, no buro ugo advert, Kokurum. So, ugo gini cake was them. Please, if you are coming across this video for the very first time, please, first of all, do me a favor. Share this very broadcast. Share this video, even if it takes 8 to 10 minutes. Please cool down and watch this video. I just want to brief my fans, and I'm doing this because of my fans, interest of my fans, and people in the answerable to. Number one, a lot has been happening on the internet that now one ministry paid bloggers or paid me or whatever. And I made a video some times ago that Nambemuna Akuzayon they make a business Zolo Bitter. Akuzayon Buzo now Akuga say people all work for advert. Which no one know the sleep. He got for the abu Zolo Bitters. Now, if you just go advert, I made an advert. Run other advert. Oruziaka, now, if I get the advert, I sign no agreement. I sign no ordinary record that maybe we are running advert for you for 2 or 3 months or 6 months. A same number, the day me signing, no advert. Now, another company, Morozia can make better advert. He will see sleep. Ndi nyerem ke we mere advert na ego nyere ndị ọzọ na atụrụ ya okwe mmoda na America na agba edet na akwụ na ụgwọ na nwere nke akwụrụ na ụgwọ ginwa ji ọnụgụ na-emeji ginwa ji ọnụgụ na-eme ede. Even as I'm posting it now, this chat ebe your queen mother, your godmother, your goddess mother onye na worship ebe oje were what the same sleep to kwe na debunk ihe mụnwa kwuru that na to advertise your product, which is Zolo Bitters. Now, when I just say, oh, what can you cause them that thing? Or if you check and demand Joramu, Akuzayon, Nakwem Mode. I'm saying that now we go for Zolo Bitters advert, one obuna through Akuzayon. Nandeline, you know, Motare, Kemera advert. Akuzayon no way, no buro ugo advert, Kokurum. When more dead, they were the Facebook. No buru advert call so what guinea cake was them. Akorongiji, Kakorongede. Guinea can marry, he is Akum 1 billion naira, Akum 300,000. If not for advert, the sleep or Kwabu, Zolo Bitters, Fidelity Bank. Can you like contradict, complicate issue? The sleep in Yaremu. Is it not Fidelity Bank, Zolo Bitters? Now, why sending their alert sleep to your queen mother? Now, where they're going in Jpac, this and that, for doing what is right, which Manamu made a advert. Before you started the product of this, your Zolo Bitters, I saw when you advice, here, goes, can make promo, can make rally. Mbiberaba, I saw Mbiaba, which I made a rally. You go through Zolo Bitters. Now, it will just sleep. Then your queen mother. Now, but the son now they made a live video with you, Jpac Zion. And then you could Jpac could say, na Zion na ku bloggers ogo na ku mugo. Did you hear me mention Zion? Did you bring out the video? Even one me peron we ku Zion minister na ku bloggers ogo. I will tender apology in 1 minute. We put on video even one peron we ku Zion minister na ku bloggers ogo. I will tender apology in the next minute. What did I say? Na Akuzayon, and then them put Akuzayon na kugo. Is it not for advert? The sleep name, is it not Zolo Bitter? Is it not Fidelity Bank? Bring up the evidence and show the world. Is it not Zolo Bitters? So, Kedu was this in Akum? Mwana yakuni in Akum advert, Zolo Bitter. You want to call her in Akum way also. Who working the cake room? Tell us, you want to Nanya sleep. Who working the cake room? I want you to come up in the live video. I go say, "Bahu way here for him." In a good 13 million, 10 million. If you bubu Zolo Bitters, which if you come here anywhere, I'll print out statement of account. If fidelity, Zolo bitters. So Zolo bitters is enough advert when we are working with you. Through account of Zolo bitter. Tell the world because you really want to. I really want you to come up on live video to tell the world is enough advert for Zolo bitters. So why twisting everything? They put it on me. Zion bloggers. Did you hear me mention Zion? Did you hear me mention Zion Ministry? Play the video again. The video is still on my page. Oh, no, whatever Jpac me on we see na Zion na bloggers na me we Zion na bloggers. Then I will tender apology in the next minute. I will tender public apology in the next minute. But nobody plays every day. Wherever I'm Zion. Okay, now let me ask. Zion or Zion Ministry? Or Zion Ministry, if I may ask. As you hear Barankita Koyaza, I don't know your real name. People know you by your nickname, which is Zion. And that nickname, you attach Zion to your name, and we are calling you that name. That Zion paid a lot of bloggers for adverts. What is the content of the payment? Is it not Zolo bitters? Through Fidelity Bank, Zion. So why are you complicating yourself? That guy women no brothers advert Zolo bitter. Na afraid there is Zolo bitter. No brothers say advert before now force Jpac apologize for what? Somebody, if you know me so much, I am the kind of person that if I realize that I offended you, I will quickly apologize to you. To say sorry, Adadim Kife, SORRY, or Dadim Kife. Yes, I said that this boy be a coward. Why do you apologize? This and that. After 1 week, I make my apology to whomever I wish, or I feel, or I notice that them again. Apology is not anything. It's just for peace to move on, to reign. Mana, before you name the apology, you will know. If you name the apology. I check myself. Did I insult Zion Ministry? Answer is no. Did I call out Ebukobi? Answer is no. Did I call out Zion Ministry? Answer is no. Even when they are laying allegation of me, Nambu Homo, none of this legal team has ever come out. Even by the stand Nandi, when I was sending you, and I said I'm able allegation, Nambu Homo, Brunka, Brumu one story about me and Baby Oku, just to tarnish my image between me and my boss. Cook also with Seaman. Cook everything. Send their rule. One of the lawyers in the said rule. Nobody has ever come online to caution this act. Na legacy go. No one doesn't about that case. Legacy go. The reason why I have for that and send their rule na WhatsApp, which I also sent to Barisa Tochugu. I even sent to you Barisa Nand. A particular live video yesterday with Zion. We are all Christians. Not minding who the Ezoku may affect or may injure. I was expecting you in a live video. Did you caution that lady for calling out a dead man? Do you think if you bear homo, no what no, if you want the legacy nobody can ever to fight for if I know the name of Nambara and the name of Ndenewi Kana Robana. The same person saying that Jpac very this and that. I went there, which I will not tell you if any name when I plan. You rubbish their name, I did not talk. You rubbish my name, I did not talk. You brought me allegation, do this, I did not talk. Now, who name is Jpac? My apology. Apology on what? I want to ask. If I ever open my mouth and say na Zion Ministry na bloggers gossip the video, immediately I made my apology. A meme apology because Ebukobi major behem. Ebukobi majorum. No, I'm making the Zion advert. It's honestly all day every head then I'm a businessman. I'm a company assign but there's a sign of him. na friendship mụ na gị na-abụ na m nwere na ana this and that ana awara na ana ọ chọrọ ịkwụ ụgwọ ụlọ abịa mkpọ ga akụzọ nke bịa kwụrụ m ụgwọ ụlọ ọrụ ọfụ ife a ka anyị na-eme wee na-eri nri. So gwa m ebe m kwuru si na Zion na-akwụ bloggers ụgwọ na mụ mepere ọnụ kwu na Zion na-akwụ bloggers ụgwọ nnu ha na I will apologize publicly the same way nsi ebe mee vidio kịta. Mana ọ bụ na ịnụ ha na ihe m kwuru bụ na akụ Zion ka mma na akụ abụzi the owner of Zion na m kwuru akụ Zion kwụrụ people ụgwọ mention ndị ọkwụrụ ụgwọ for advert Zolobitas bring all their name all the slip niile akụ Zion iji na-enye ndị blogger ka wee market ego Zolobitas. Ọ bụ na ọ bụrụ Fidelity Bank name Zolobitas then ọ bụ na ịkpọrọ m aza gị. Then second na ọ bụrụ ego advert as your queen mother is saying he wetara a post wee na ọ bụrụ ego advert the 1 million they give you is for what? What is it? What is it? Gwazie m ihe ị nyere m because inye mmadụ onyinye ị ga-agwa nna na ihe i mere m ntinye gị dị onyinye. Inye mmadụ onyinye ị ga-agwa ife o mere akọrọ gị ji ịgwa m ife m mere gị ife inye m onyinye ka ọ were ego nyegasịa bloggers ị gwara m sị m na ego ndị ị na-enyesi bloggers bụ mgbe mmanya gị ya apụta na ọ ka ha nwee ike buru mmanya gị n'isi which they did ọ na ha market nyere gị mmanya gị ka eji 1 naira eme advert. Oh, ọ ebupụtara na product nnọọ ewereze because of relationship and friendship market ere gị nnọọ inwe uru nwee gain nwee isi ego nwee everything onye market ere gị anazi daba ikikere eze n'ụlọ ka ọ bụ nchọrọ ịkwụ nwa m ụgwọ akwụkwọ abịa mkpọ ga-akụzi nye m ego nwee kwụ ụgwọ akwụkwọ ọrụzi ebe ahụ ọrụzi the work of my hand that God will bless ọ ihe ahụ m na-eme ka Chukwu ga-eji agọzi m. So ọ nye m ego nye other people ego ka e wee market ere Zolobitas which the name is written there. Ibeze na anyị gwa ya kwe mmadụ na ego inyere m abụrụ maka Zolobitas na ya gị nwa jikwa aka gị na-eme ose na-eme ọjị. So achọba onye ga-ayọ apology akụ Zion na kwe mmụọ ga-akọrọ anyị the reason why o ji nye m the 1 million na-agwazi ya na ihe nyere m bụ ego advert ọ na-ekwu na ọ bụrụ ego advert na o nwere ihe. So gwazie ụwa ego gịnị ka ị nyere m if not for Zolobitas advert. Thank you very much.